Hi there. Are you working quite often on a laptop and you want to improve your already amazing performance? You need one of these, okay? This is a Jellycomb wireless backlit numerical keypad. Look across there, you can see where they are on Amazon. What are these things actually like? Well, they've got a rubberized feet on the bottom. This puppy can stay charged for something like 200 hours. It's got a backlight on there. I'll show you some clips across the way then what it can do. So it's backlit as well. You can change your colors. You've got on here you've got your homes, your page ups, your page down, your arrow keys, your number keys. You've also got some additional F keys up here. You've got an app there. That one there allows you to get a quick app, and what that will allow you to do, I'll show you on the screen there, is get the furthest left app from your pinned ribbon at the bottom of your screen, so you can change that as and when you want. And it works on a Bluetooth, so it's not taking up any of your USB ports. It charges on a USB-C, and that is basically it, and it connects really easy to a laptop. So I've been using it for a few days. This is 26 quid or thereabouts. Do I rate it? Let me just quickly show you what it's all about there, and then I'll give you my review and my conclusion in a sec after using this for a few days. So here we are, folks, right on here. So I'm going to hit the up arrow, hit the Bluetooth button, and then try and connect. Show or add a Bluetooth device. There we go. So after eventually connecting, and I had to go into add a new Bluetooth device, and it is in as Bluetooth keyboard. I found that really easy, and then I can now on my extra keyboard type in 1 2 3 4 5 and stuff like that and hit enter. Nice and easy. I can page down, I can page up. I've got up and down arrows, I've got tabs, I've got delete, I've got backspace, so let's move around using my thing. Press the backspace button there, so I can hit delete and that. I've got return. I've got everything I need, and it's all on this beautiful Bluetooth keypad. So now my laptop looks like that. That's all thanks to this Jellycomb mat for my laptop. It's late, but I was excited. Yes, that's right. I'm excited to have one of these. Do you have a laptop? And do you need to get more excited on your laptop? If you do, get one of these laptop numerical keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard thingies that you can put on the side. This puppy will stay on with a backlight for ages and ages and ages, or without the backlight for even longer. Okay, so if you want to turn the light on and off, you hold the function key up there and you push down on those buttons there, or up, and you can change the colour by pressing on that one there. So if I want it to be like that, whatever. It's nice in there. Nice and warm, there you go. So you can have that set up like that, nice and bright. This button here allows you to open up an application, so I don't know how to configure that. So lots to learn. Initially looks really good. So there you go, folks, the Jellycomb wireless backlit numeric keypad. I rate it. I think it just extends out that laptop keypad and gives you something more usable and will help you improve your productivity both at home and also in the workplace. Catch you guys on the keyboard schmeeboard flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.